welcome to Sewing Nerd Studios. I am Jo, and this week we're gonna upcycle a flannel that's been laying around into that skirt that I keep seeing all over TikTok. I was so excited about the project I did 2 weeks ago, most recent video. I'm just kind of gonna noodle around. This isn't like a tutorial or anything. I'm just showing you how I go about like deconstructing and then kind of piecing stuff together, and then a little like recap at the end. I did draping essentially on a dress form that isn't something I do very often, but I realized being really precise with everything wasn't the move. In the spirit of this project, it just felt like it needed some freeform sewing, I guess. So I don't know if you find this interesting. I keep seeing all of this stuff crop up on TikTok and Instagram and everything, and there's so many ways you can DIY it. So hopefully this is giving you some inspiration. Maybe you're annoyed at my approach with this project. I can do like a from scratch handkerchief corner circle skirt thing. I have done a handkerchief skirt before, but it was out of silk charmeuse and I never want to use that fabric again. So I do have like a plaid wool I could do. I've had that in the back of my head. So if you're interested in that, let me know, because that'd be fun to make. I'm looking at the fabric right now and like getting into springtime, probably the move. And doing it with like a proper waistband and not the elastic waistband like I did on that silk charmeuse skirt. Anyways, let's get into it. All right, you know what? Listen, obviously hiked up pretty high. This was originally centered and like, this is fine. This is why you wear biking shorts under your dresses, so you don't have to get in your head about what's what's getting shown off. But yeah, as far as the front, I attached the front panels kind of crisscross, and here's the yoke that I cut from the back of the shirt, and then have these go across, right? You got this little flap back here, and I like that you get some corner action going on here. I don't know, not for everybody. I'll probably honestly just be wearing this like over some leggings. But my theory with this is when you wear a flannel around your waist, like one does, the effect they're trying to like copy here, there's not like a ton of coverage. So it's not something I would generally wear without any other layers underneath on the bottom. So, and there's some amount of like versatility as far as where this is all facing. So like, I don't know, I'm not mad at this. It's just gonna be a layering piece. This was not a flannel I was wearing anyways. It was actually from my partner's closet and he wasn't wearing it, so I nabbed it. Yeah, I don't know. This was fun to put together. All right, there you have it. My like very slapdash flannel skirt inspired by the one I keep seeing all over my TikTok feed. As always, I would not be able to do any of this without everybody over on Patreon, so thank you so much for all of the support. I get to take time to kind of fiddle around with things like this and brainstorm. I was just kind of a chaos tornado for most of this morning and then was like, this is what I would like to do for the video. So y'all give me that freedom and I appreciate it so much. I will see you back here with another video in 2 Fridays. Thank you so much for hanging out. Here we are. The gams are out.